Hello, classmates. This project helped me with my workplace capabilities because reading over the case study I chose to do about an x-ray flipped backwards and the resident on the patient put a chase tube in the patient's wrong side of the patient due to the backwards x-ray. Choosing tolerance due to the backwards x-ray taught me how to be able to tolerate medical errors in the healthcare field and not to express my opinion on how medical errors can be prevented and dangerous to patients. Another workplace capability I chose is communication, because responding about patients' rights has helped me to understand how to communicate better about patients' rights in the healthcare field and how they are very important when dealing with patients in emergency situations. My last workplace capability I chose is enthusiasm, because I really like learning how medical errors are leading cause of patients' death in the United States, and after reading and researching about medical errors, it has taught me how to individuals can be prevented from them from happening to the patients. I chose these workplace capabilities that stated as before. It is going to help me make me a future healthcare manager in my future career, because I will be able to communicate better with the patients and understand their rights and how they are the most important in healthcare field.